Triumphs, from Coventry to the world. An insight into the history of Triumph motorcycle by Untold Facts, from Morale Edutech. Established in 1885 in Coventry by Siegfried Bettmann as a bicycle business, Triumph produced its first motorized bicycle by 1902. The beginning of the First World War was a boost to the company as production was switched to provide for the Allied war effort. More than 30,000 motorcycles, among them the Model H Roadster, also known as a trusty Triumph, often cited as the first modern motorcycle, were supplied to the Allies. Edward Turner's 1937 Speed Twin, 500 cubic centimeters parallel twin, set the standard for future British bikes. The Triumph Speed Twin, created by Edward Turner prior to World War II, saw mass production in the years following the conflict. To address the Lend-Lease debts, almost 70% of Triumph's production after the war was exported to the United States. In the post-war period, both the Speed Twin and the Triumph Tiger 100 featured a sprung rear hub, marking Triumph's initial foray into rear suspension. Privateers utilized surplus aluminum alloy barrels from wartime on their Tiger 100 racers, achieving victory in races and leading to the inspiration for the Triumph GP model. However, by 1950, the availability of these barrels was depleted, resulting in the discontinuation of the GP model. Another motorcycle that utilized a wartime generator engine was the 498 cubic centimeters TR5 Trophy Twin, which was also unveiled at the 1948 Motorcycle Show. It featured a single carburetor and a low compression variant of the Grand Prix engine. Britain triumphed in the esteemed 1948 International Six Days Trial, with the Triumph Works team finishing without penalties. In response to the American market's need for motorcycles designed for long-distance travel, Turner developed a 650 cubic centimeters variant of the Speed Twin model. This new motorcycle was called the Thunderbird, a name that Triumph would later permit the Ford Motor Company to use for one of its car models. Just a year after the Thunderbird's launch, a motorcyclist in Southern California combined the 650 Thunderbird with a twin carburetor head that was originally designed for GP racing, resulting in a new motorcycle named the Wonderbird. The 650 cubic centimeters engine, which was created in 1939, held the world speed record for motorcycles from 1955 until 1970. In the 1960s, Triumph manufactured two scooters, the Triumph Tina, a compact and low-powered two-stroke scooter with a displacement of approximately 100 cubic centimeters, featuring an automatic clutch and a handlebar-mounted carry basket, and the Triumph Tigress, a more robust scooter offered with either a 175 cubic centimeters two-stroke single engine or a 250 cubic centimeters four-stroke twin engine for those who seek a more thrilling ride. Triumph engineering collapsed in the 1970s under Japanese competition. In 1983, John Bloor revived the brand, relocating to Hinckley. The reborn company launched its first Hinckley-built models in 1990. Triumph expanded globally with factories in the UK, Thailand, and Brazil, selling to over 700 dealers in 57 countries. During late 2000, the company came up with an array of new mind-blowing machines. Tiger, the ultimate large-capacity adventure ride, with class-leading capability in handling, world-conquering comfort, and unbeatable T-plane triple character. With its assertive silhouette, enhanced rider technology, and authentic Triumph Scrambler design DNA, the new Scrambler 400XE is ideal for every adventure. Uncover new horizons and explore the unbeaten paths with style. The T4, the successor to the acclaimed Speed 400, offers a refined riding experience that's perfect for riders of all levels. With its modern classic design, confidence-inspiring handling, relaxed performance, and deep, satisfying exhaust note, the T4 embodies the essence of a Triumph modern classic. The Speed Twin is the ultimate fusion of exhilarating sports performance and agile dynamic handling, delivered with classic style and character. The Speed 400 brings Triumph's unmistakable stripped-back custom style, agile handling, responsive performance, and category-defining build quality to a new class of rider, beautifully balanced, effortlessly agile. The Scrambler 400X is built for all riders in all terrains. Enhanced performance handling and technology, timeless Bonneville design DNA. The definitive British motorcycle icon, beautifully evolved. Bonneville Bob are authentic, innovative, and thrilling to ride. Now with even more performance capability, specification, and style. Trident, exhilarating performance and handling. Unique retro-modern styling, best-in-class rider-focused technology, and Triumph's renowned premium build quality and component specification. Street Triple, powered by Moto 2 race engine evolution. For the highest performance, highest specification, and most agile street triple lineup ever. Added attitude and record-breaking performance for the ultimate muscle roadster. Muscular presence and impeccable style combined with epic performance from the world's largest production motorcycle engine. The unparalleled performance, sublime ride, and epic attitude of the Rocket 3 create the ultimate riding experience. Dynamic DNA with fresh attitude. Clean lines, intuitive agility, and focused sports handling meet thrilling triple power performance to deliver pure exhilaration. The Daytona is built to take on any road. Triumph is a remarkable story of rebirth, resilient through wartime demands, post-war popularity, economic downturns, and a dramatic revival. Today, it offers motorcycles that capture the romance of British design while delivering cutting-edge performance and global appeal. Triumph has journeyed from a humble bicycle workshop to a global motorcycle powerhouse. Its persistence through war, market shifts, financial crises, and revival reflects a brand defined by resilience, innovation, and classic engineering flair. The current lineup blends soul-stirring heritage with cutting-edge performance, making Triumph as fresh and aspirational today as ever. Triumph has masterfully balanced its past and present. Whether you're drawn to the nostalgia of the Bonneville, the athletic thrill of the Trident, or the exotic engineering of the Tiger and Rocket, the brand offers something for every rider, enhanced by regular updates, contemporary tech, and regional customization. Thanks for viewing this presentation. Please share and subscribe to our channel.